Oh.
And fancy Nancy skirt. And a fancy Nancy. What is this called?
I don't know. Is it a sash? Oh, it goes across. I'll show you how it works. What else is in there?
Slipper.
Fancy Nancy slippers?
Yeah.
Oh, those are...
This one is so fancy.
I think those are her ballet slippers.
Ballet slippers?
Mm-hmm.
What is this?
I don't know. I think that goes on her arm. Let's look and see.
Yeah, those are arms.
It does?
Mama.
Oh, it's a Fancy Nancy leotard.
Where's go on?
It goes on your body.
On right here?
Mm-hmm.
Why?
Because that's how it works.
Mama, look it!
What is that?
This is for your head.
It is for your head.
And this is for your arm.
It is? Oh, is that a bracelet?
Yeah, the bracelet. And look at this.
Oh, how pretty. I think that one goes on your neck, like a necklace.
Just like fancy.
Yeah, what else did you get? Oh,
This is a football player.
it is. It's actually a baseball player like the Red Sox. It's a bat and a ball. Yeah, just like that, Lo.
This part.
Yeah, that's where you hit the ball.
Whoa!
Daddy's going to have so much fun showing you how to use that.
Look at these.
Wow, I already opened that up, huh? Did you get new earrings?
No.
Did you get a necklace?
Yeah. Ballet slippers.
Ballet slippers.
And the necklace.